This is just a quick video giving a bit of a demonstration about how to use the website regarding the Dols Form 1. If you've made it this far, then you've already discovered the guidance leaflet, and part of which should have this video on it, obviously. To actually begin filling in the form itself, well, first of all, I guess they've got these little images here, which just highlight some of the different aspects of the form, patient details and what have you. So I've split it up into these different sections, as the original paper form one goes on for about 8 pages or so. So you click on patient details, and you'll get some information there about how to fill in the form. And also thank you for actually taking the time to look at it for me. I have pre-populated all the fields within the form, and just to make it easier for you, you can, if you wish, scroll to the top and reset, which will remove all of the information from the form if you're keen to do it all yourself. Obviously, you don't want to put in real people's names or whatever. Like this is all anonymous and fictitious information. At the very bottom, we thank you for helping with the project, and if you can click in there and just give whatever feedback would be most useful. There has been some discussion about these drop-down lists and whether or not how useful they are, really. Would free text boxes be better? And at the minute, because it's just in development, I've left it at this, although you probably could have a database with like hundreds of different drugs in it that the user could just begin to type in their name, and then the name would come up. But there are so many different drugs, and all the names are usually quite strange spellings, that it was felt at this stage we would just go with that. But it would be fairly straightforward to just have a free text box there as well. On the lower right of the form, there'll be a little next page button, and you'll see here, because there have been no details filled in at all, it's giving you a list of the required fields, the ones that you cannot submit the form without. So in order to clear these in this respect, we just click on the refresh button, and then again we see that all the information is there. Now you don't see it on this, but there is a little green button which says next page. You go to the next page here, you don't have any error messages, all is good. You can navigate using these little buttons at the top, and also the next page or the previous page buttons as well. Whenever you're happy with all the information that's there, you click the submit button, and it should bring up a little thank you message. You can either go and play a silly game of finding a cow, or you can return to the form 1 itself. There we go. So hopefully that should answer any questions in relation to it. Good luck with it, and thanks again for your help.